Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, from today we will discuss about the remaining part of our syllabus, and today we are going to start the new lesson of annual exam. So dear student, today we will discuss about chapter 16, that will be Chennai. We will study today Chennai. As we know, if we are going to visit anywhere, there is eagerness. यस बच्चों, बहुत सारी उत्सुकता होती है किसी भी प्लेस के बारे में जानने की, किसी भी शहर के बारे में जानने की। तो हम लोग जानेंगे इस लेसन में चेन्नई, अबाउट चेन्नई। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी द लोकेशन ऑफ चेन्नई, वेयर इट इज लोकेटेड, एंड which type of position, which type of geographical position it has. So let's start. Dear student, Chennai, as we know, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. And in the past, it was known as Madras. In the past, it was known as Madras. इससे पहले किस नाम से जाना जाता था बेटा? मद्रास के नाम से. It is the fourth largest city of India. Yes, student. It is the fourth largest city of India. So keep in mind. And other thing is, it is located on the southeast coast of India. Southeast coast of India, and it is often called the gateway of South India. It is called the gateway of South India, and the city of Chennai is divided into two parts. जो city है बेटा चेन्नई, वो दो part में divided है. पहला है बेटा जॉर्ज टाउन. Okay, first one is Georgetown. The old city lies towards the north. Towards the south, Georgetown lie the other part of the city. Georgetown के दूसरी तरफ दूसरा part रहता है city का. Important offices of the government, all the important offices of the government of Tamil Nadu are located in Chennai. Yes, student, as we know, the main important offices and the government run from the capital of the state. So all important offices lies where? In Chennai. So this is Chennai, and in Chennai the governor, the chief minister and other ministers live and work in this city because it is the capital of Tamil Nadu. And now we will discuss about climate. What is climate? Which type of climate does Chennai have? Yes, student. The climate is hot and humid throughout the year. हॉट मतलब बेटा होता है गर्म, और ह्यूमिड मतलब क्या होता है? जहाँ पे नमी हो. एंड उमस भरी थ्रू आउट द ईयर, पूरे साल रहता है बेटा. चेन्नई जनरली रिसीव्स रेनफॉल फ्रॉम अक्टूबर टू दिसंबर. बेटा चेन्नई रेनफॉल चेन्नई में कब तक होती है? अक्टूबर से लेके दिसंबर तक. जो रिट्रीटिंग मानसून है, जो वापस लौटता हुआ मानसून है, ये बारिश करता है ठंड के समय में भी चेन्नई में. मतलब इस समय बारिश हो रही होगी. सॉरी इस समय नहीं होगी बेटा, दिसंबर तक है मे बी. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द लैंग्वेज एंड द कल्चर. बेटा we saw in this lesson the location and the main important things about the Chennai, and then after we saw the climate of the Chennai, and now we will discuss about the language and culture of Chennai. Tamil is the main language spoken by the people of Chennai. Beta, what is the main language of people who are living in Chennai is Tamil. The language is Tamil is the main language spoken by the people of Chennai. Next is English is also commonly spoken. The person who don't know about, who don't have any idea of Tamil language, such types of people uses English language. So it is commonly spoken language. It is commonly spoken language of Chennai. Chennai is known for Bharatnatyam, a classical dance form that was born in Tamil Nadu. Yes, student, if anybody asks to you the classical dance form of Chennai, the answer will be Bharatnatyam. It is the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. It is supposed to be the oldest dance form in India. ये बेटा सबसे पुराना डांस फॉर्म है इंडिया का. So it is very important for you. It is the oldest dance form in India, and Carnatic music is also very popular. The music, when we know about music, Carnatic music is very popular. Next is clothes. After language and culture, we will see which type of clothes people wear of Chennai. So let's start. Beta clothes. The traditional dress of the men is vesti. ओके बेटा, वहाँ के जो आदमी है बेटा वो जो पोशाक पहनते हैं उनको हम लोग बोलते हैं वेस्टी एंड शर्ट. एंड विमेन वियर साड़ी. विमेन बेटा यहाँ पे भी साड़ी पहनती हैं और वहाँ भी. द ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस ऑफ गर्ल्स. जो गर्ल्स की ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है वो क्या है? पवड़ाई and blouse. As it is very hot throughout the year, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पूरे साल गर्मी रहती है. Light cotton clothes are the best choice. गर्मी ज़्यादा होने की वजह से यहाँ पे पूरे साल लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या यूज़ करते हैं बेटा? Light cotton clothes are the best choice of the people of Tamil Nadu, you can say Chennai. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class, and keep your study properly and be careful about your health and hygiene. Thank you. Have a nice day.